In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Thinkorswim charts for swing trading. Start by opening the Charts tab. This is your main workspace, and everything we do will build from here. Once the chart loads, look just above it for the time frame dropdown. Select D, or Daily, as your primary swing trading view. Daily candles help you see the bigger picture so you're not getting tossed around by intraday noise. While you're there, it's helpful to mark the 4-hour and 2-hour time frames as favorites. Having those ready lets you quickly drill down for trend context without rebuilding your chart each time. Next, let's apply the key indicators. Right-click anywhere on the chart, choose Studies, then Add Study. We'll start with 3 exponential moving averages, 8, 21, and 50 periods. These act as trend filters. The 8 EMA captures short-term momentum, the 21 helps with the swing structure, and the 50 gives you a broader trend bias. Add RSI with a 14-period setting to gauge momentum and potential overbought or oversold conditions. It's especially useful for spotting pullbacks within an uptrend or relief bounces in a downtrend. Then add MACD using 12, 26, 9. MACD crossovers and histogram shifts can help confirm trend continuation or early reversals when paired with price and your EMAs. Before we move on, let's lock in this progress. Click Setup in the top right and choose Save Workspace As. Saving the workspace captures your current studies and layout, so if you make changes later, you can always revert to this swing-focused setup. Now customize the chart appearance. Click the gear icon on the chart and go to the Appearance section. Choose candle colors you prefer. Clear contrast makes trend recognition faster, especially when scanning. While you're here, enable the Volume subgraph. Volume adds essential context to price moves, helping you judge whether a breakout or pullback has meaningful participation. Once it looks the way you like, save these visual settings as a default or as a template so new charts inherit the same look and feel. Finally, give this setup a clear, memorable name, like Swing Chart, Daily 4H. Using a specific name helps you instantly recognize that this layout includes your daily view with quick access to 4-hour context, plus your EMAs, RSI, MACD, and volume. With this saved, you'll have a consistent, repeatable chart environment every time you open Thinkorswim, which is exactly